Hey there. Ever found yourself locked out of your Cash App due to too many login attempts? You're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix those pesky Cash App too many attempts errors and get you back to managing your finances swiftly and securely. Understanding the error. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand why this error occurs. The Cash App too many attempts message typically appears when you've entered incorrect login credentials multiple times in a short period. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. But don't worry, it's fixable. Step 1. Wait it out. The easiest solution is often to wait. Typically, if you've tried logging in too many times, Cash App may temporarily lock your account for security reasons. Waiting for about 24 hours can often resolve the issue without needing further action. Use this time to ensure that you have the correct login details, including your email, phone number, and password. Step 2. Reset your password. If waiting doesn't do the trick, it may be time to reset your password. To do this, open the Cash App and click on Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password using your registered email or phone number. A strong password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. Step 3. Check for device compatibility. Another potential issue is device compatibility. Ensure that your Cash App is updated to the latest version available in your device's app store. Older versions may encounter more login issues. Additionally, check that your device's operating system is up to date as app developers optimize for newer systems. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried the above steps and still face issues, it's time to reach out to the expert. Contacting Cash App support is a reliable way to solve issues. You can report the problem through the Cash App itself by navigating to the Profile section, selecting Support, and choosing something else to describe your issue. Alternatively, visit the Cash App website and reach out through their contact form or social media channel. Always ensure you are engaging with verified Cash App support to avoid scams. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access to your account, consider enabling two-factor authentication for increased security. This option offers an additional layer of protection, ensuring only you can access your account, even if someone else obtains your password. Tips for preventing future issues. To avoid encountering the too many attempts issue again, here are some help tips. Double-check your credentials before logging in. Avoid multiple login attempts in a short period. Regularly update your app and device software. Change passwords periodically to enhance security. Experience the Cash App too many attempts issue can be frustrating, but with a bit of patience and the steps outlined above, you can resolve it swiftly. Remember, safeguarding your financial information is crucial, so always prioritize security measures like strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Now you can stay on top of your finances without a hit. Happy banking.